Welcome everyone to my videoscribe whiteboard animation course. This is a complete course about videoscribe whiteboard animation in which I talk straight to the point, so I will not waste your time in unwanted stuff. I will teach you everything you need to know so you will start out as a beginner and will be a pro videoscribe user by the end of this course. I will also give you lots of tips and show you lots of tricks which will make you able to create professional videoscribe videos. I have created lots of professional whiteboard animation videos and I am been using videoscribe for several years. In this course you will learn all of the tools available in videoscribe and how to create professional whiteboard animation videos. In the last section of this course we will be also creating our complete whiteboard animation project from scratch. After this course you will know how to create professional whiteboard animation videos. You will be able to visually express your ideas. You will be able to sell your services through freelancing. So I hope to see you in this course. Thank you.